The Q901 series M42 Bimetal Pallet Dismantler blade is designed with a M42 Cobalt high-speed steel edge. It's ground tooth technology, which makes it very durable and increases the life of the blade. So the ruggedness of this blade is in the tooth configuration and the design. The very tooth height, along with the ground tooth technology, give this blade extreme durability when you're hitting nails and staples. We developed this 5/8 tooth pitch. It has a high-speed M42 Cobalt steel edge that has a precision ground tooth, and it's a very durable blade. It's tough, it's rugged, and it's perfect for the pallet industry. So if you're looking for a great pallet blade, this 901 series should be your choice. With Sawblade.com, you're going to get a very competitive price. We guarantee all of our product. The blades are available same day. We provide service, parts for mini saws. If you need our assistance, just give us a call. I'm George with Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching, and we are your competitive advantage.